Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo. Well, I'm back. Are you ready? Because if you ain't ready, we got to get ready. It's the last week of February. We got to get locked and loaded, okay? You know how I do it, right? We do after the pen and before the pen. If you like what you see, give a sister a thumbs up and also share with your planner sisters. And if you're new here, just hit that subscribe button down there and also turn on that notification button. And I'll see you at the end of the video to say my bye-byes. Enjoy! Knock, knock. Hey, everybody. It's Yo-Yo. Well, thank you so much for stopping by. I so greatly appreciate it. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Hitting that notification bell would be greatly appreciated. And for those of you who are returning, thank you so much. And I must say thank you to all the new subscribers that I've gotten this past week. I so greatly appreciate it. Well, let's just get to it. You know how I am, okay? Well, we're going to do my classic dashboard layout for the last week of February. Ooh, this time went by fast, didn't it? So we're just going to jump to it. I'm not one of those girls to be messing around, child. I just jump on, okay? So here we go. This is the overview for the month. We're going to recap these weeks. And the thing I'm really enjoying is that every week looks so different, okay? This was my first week here. I was sick. That's my story. I'm sticking to it. That's why I didn't do Sunday. And that's why some of this looks a little bit bare. But hey, I'm still working, okay? I'm still doing it. Okay, well, thank you so much for leaving any comments that you have in the past. I so greatly appreciate that as well. And for every thumbs up. Now, here we go. Second week, I'm happy. Okay, a sister happy. This sister happy. Okay, I'm a little strange, but you'll learn to love me. So here we go. Second week. Now we're in this week. We're coming out of ret now. The thing I'm really just enjoying is the fact they look so different from week to week. I didn't even think I had it in me, girls. Do you have that week where you're like, I don't know where this is coming from, but I like it, okay? So this is my overview and my dashboard layout. And tell me, are you using this layout and have you had any trouble with it? Because I've seen a couple of people make some comments, and then some people made comments on my previous one saying, thank you, I'm going to try this, I'm going to try that. So I know with this section here, these big sections, that might be a problem for people. Like I told you guys in the past, I've been using those sticker pads, the little ones, and those are really helpful. Actually, here's some right here. So just in case you didn't see that, these little sticker pads right here will come in helpful. They've got some big stickers that will fit here, here, and here. Okay, so you definitely need to check those out. And they've got them in the recent books too, like the Homebody. They have the little sticker pads in that. So this is kind of my rainbow effect. So let me just tell you right now, this was an accident. I actually have started to plan this week coming up last week. Okay, so I had to go back and do this week. I only put down like 3 stickers. I'm going to be honest with you, okay, for the coming week. But this is my complete so far this week. Everything that got done, everything that tried to get done. So, you know, I do my little list. I'll carry it over. So here we go. Last week. Okay, this is the last week. So 2 things I'm going to tell you. I made 2 boo-boos. I'm going to show you what they are, and I'm going to show you how I fix one as we go along here, okay? I tried to keep this week as simple as possible, okay? So I last week started to plan this week by mistake. Are you with me, girls? Yeah. Okay. Now let me show what sticker books I'm using. I'm using Simply Lovely. This is a happy plan. This is an old one. I think this was early last year. I think I got this when I was in West Palm last year. So this was the colorful boxes, okay? The colorful boxes. The colorful story, okay? And then I used 1 or 2 stickers from the goals and from encouragement. Now here is what my dilemma is. You know, they're coming out with this new spring release, right? So I got to figure out who is going to be retired. Somebody going, okay? I can't keep all these sticker books in rotation because, you know, I'm like every other girl. I want something new too, okay? And I'm not saying it's you sticker book. It's me. I'm that kind of girl, okay? I want something new, shiny, and pretty. I don't mean to kick you to the curb, but I got to kick you to the curb. One of y'all, okay? Maybe 2, well, maybe all 3 of y'all. But that's just me. So I'm just saying some of y'all got to go. I can't keep everyone in rotation. So that's my dilemma. I got to figure out who's coming, who's going, okay? So this is the layout so far. Here, I put a big sticker here last week by mistake, okay? I had a sticker on the bottom here. I went to take it up today, tore up the whole thing. You know how, we've all done that, right? Okay, I'm not by myself. Tore it all up, so I had to find something to go down here. So I went back to the book, that the original sticker that was down there on the bottom was a quote. So I went in and I got this strip. Remember I told you guys use these fillers? I used a strip, but one strip wasn't enough. So I took a second strip, laid it down on the bottom here, got my X-Acto knife, bam, cut it off. It worked, okay? So it had to cover up a major boo-boo. It was like the sticker came up, the sticker under it came up. It was just a mess. So I know we've all had that problem before, okay? So that right there got fixed there, okay? Then I covered up the check off the buy list thing here because it was in green and that blue, and it didn't match my color scheme. So I put this this sticker here. And you know what? I don't know if you're new here. You probably have heard me if you've been here before. This year, I think kind and kindness is my word. Didn't realize this last week when I made this mistake, but when I went to go finish this layout today, be a pop of kindness in a black and white world. Really? I didn't even notice that. Okay, so my word got incorporated somehow. So thank you. So then when I got through with that, I had dead space here with a little check off. So I went ahead and got this little flag sticker, making myself proud, and I just laid it over that perfectly. Still got a little gap there, but it looks good. And then here, I'm going to tell you, this is a mistake I've got to fix, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to fix it. So I put this down, colorful box, put the check it off sticker there, put the two bill pay stickers here. I could not find a habit tracker in this color scheme at all, nothing close to it. So I said, okay, I went to my gold stickers, okay? They had a practice this week. Laid a sticker over it. You can see I kind of messed it up a little bit there. When I took it up, it kind of ripped it up. So I said, I got to fix this. I could take the whole sticker up, but let me just make an example of this. So if you're having this problem, you see how I fixed it, okay? So here's what I got to do. I got to go and I got this sticker. Just says today. Okay, just says today. Nothing big. So what I'm going to do, here's how you fix a boo-boo. You just lay that bad boy. Hey, that works. So I went ahead and I stuck that there. I'm sticking that there. Excuse me, I have a chipped nail. I'm going to get it fixed when I go to work tomorrow. Okay, here we go. And then I have my habit tracker for the two things that I do daily, every day. Make my bed and take my medication, okay? And the reason I'm having problems with this because I'm trying not to put my big fat fingers in the way, okay? So that's how you fix that, okay? Then I continued on here. I got my hydrate sticker, my savings sticker for my savings challenge. I had put this down last week as well, but then after I put it down, I realized that I needed something to fill it up with. I didn't want to use the little clear rings that I told you guys to use from the Planner Bay. So I saw these little Blight Palm in the colorful boxes, sticker book. I'm so, you know what? I'm so proud of myself when I remember what stickers come out of what book. I'll be honest with you. Okay. So I put these Blight Palms on the bottom just to fill it up. I was all right with the space on the top. Then I went to the colorful boxes. Well, here's the thing. I put this sticker up here to cover up the meal plan. Okay, but then I had this spot down here and they had Monday through Sunday. Got to cover it up. This sticker out of the colorful boxes fit perfectly in there. A sister was digging that, okay? So I threw that bad boy in there, but then I had Sunday down here. So I went to the colorful boxes. I found this be a little extra today, which I am every day. So I stuck that down there to cover up the end of the week, okay? Now, here's the other thing I want to tell you. I'm just finding out so many things that, you know how you when you're planning, you see things and you're like, oh my goodness, I forgot about that. So here's the thing. I was trying to keep it simple. I went in and I whited out the days, okay? Whited out Monday through Sunday. So I'm like, okay, I want to do something with that, but I don't know what I want to do. I do want to do something, but you don't know what you're going to do. So sister went back. She went back and flipping through the book here. So I'm going to show you that I didn't realize this, but if you have this book, if you have the Colorful Boxes book, you might want to go back and check this out. They have colors, the days in color. They've got in 3 different fonts, okay? So I saw that and I said, oh, okay. So then I tried to find the ones with the color in it, but you know what? I made it work. So I whited it out. I put Monday over Monday and every day all the way down the middle here, okay? So that worked out. This is probably the simplest layout I've ever done. So let me just tell you right now, the thing I have put, usually I tell you I put a sticker, a special sticker on things that I have going on that I have to remember. I just started going to the chiropractor last Monday for my sciatica. So I have to go Monday, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. So I put those down. I just need to put Dr. Case's name in there for my appointment every day. On Monday, Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. So I need to put that in there. So this is to simply put down my trash stickers, put down my payday sticker, and bam, 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 it's done, okay? I ain't messing around this week, okay? A sister getting what she got to get done. So I am so happy with it. And here's what I would like you to do. If you have your layout done for this week, I'm going to post my picture on my Facebook page at Yo Finds, okay? I would love for you guys to share what you're doing. Let me see what you're doing. Let's all share, okay? I would greatly appreciate it. But I'm so happy with this. Nice, simple. Looks totally different from the other weeks I've done. If you have any comments, please leave them below. Please share this video with your other planner sisters. Hey, and if you're new here and you're stopping in, I would love for you guys to stop and subscribe. And thank you so much for all the subscribers I picked up in the last week. It has been awesome, okay? I'm trying to get to my goal. And you guys are helping me. I appreciate it so much. So thank you for stopping by. And you know what? Our girl will see y'all next time. Bye-bye. Hey everybody, it's Yo. Well, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I hope you learned a few things. I hope you like what you saw. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And also, if you want to see more of my videos, you can check them out over here. Okay? And also, if you're thinking about subscribing, just hit that subscribe button down there and also turn that notification bell on. You like to share with your planner sisters, I would greatly appreciate it. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.